I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want.